Tips that will help you study. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Studying is basically an act of practicing and memorizing things. Studying is necessary for the gain of knowledge. Either it is studying for school or for university. Studying books never stops. It goes on and on. Because studying books has no age restriction. Nowadays, especially, students find it harder to make themselves study. They just cannot turn themselves to study. Nowadays, it is due to frequent use of mobile phones and social media. The addiction of social media has made students ruin their lives. Students face difficulties in learning and memorizing things. I have come up with useful tips that will help you become even better in studies and concentrating. Let's get straight into it without wasting much time. Brief study sessions. Studying continuously can make you bored of it. Just consider the example of the brain as a bucket that is empty. And when you put learned things in it, it starts to fill slowly. And a time comes when the bucket becomes filled with water and further addition of things makes it overflow. Take breaks between your study sessions. It helps you perform well and does not make you tired. Brief sessions of study are proved to be more effective than long study sessions. Studying for long hours without any breaks makes you more tired and bored. To make studying more interesting and mesmerizing, make it to little sessions. Avoid cramming. Sadly, our educational system promotes cramming instead of conceptual studies. Cramming is all about memorizing the same line over and over without any understanding. This is the major root cause of inefficient persons in professional careers. When you learn things by understanding, it becomes interesting and you start to enjoy it. The things in which you start to develop interest become easier and fun. The educational institutions of our country, especially Pakistan, promote cramming only, due to which students lose interest in studies and start to feel tired of it. Whenever things get boring, it becomes repelling. So avoid cramming and start to understand things instead of cramming it just for good grades. Practice studying. Due to the above-mentioned reasons, studying has become kind of difficult now. Students are forced to do crammings. And the institutions promote it by giving good grades to only those students who write cram things. There is a small ratio of students nowadays who do things in comprehensive ways, but those are also turning themselves to become crammers just because of good grades. Such things make students lose interest. Studying can be promoted by developing a habit of it. Habits can be developed by practicing study sessions every day. Study every day for a shorter time period. Make yourself study in the beginning, and afterwards you will see that you have become habitual to it. And now it has become necessary and an extremely important part of your life. So focus on helping yourself. The more you work on yourself, the more you are going to become a better person. Concluding my whole discussion, I must say our educational system has played a part in ruining our understanding and brainstorming skills. Due to cramming, the brainstorming skills have been greatly reduced. By practicing above steps, you can develop a study habit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye.